I'm here today to show you how I created that music video using Gemini, ChatGPT, HeyGen, and Suno AI. This is a combination of various AI tools. So if you know how to use AI tools, a combination of them can give you something very magical. Okay. So that is why I'm making this video, because I want to show you how to do it. So if you are somebody that likes music and you want to go into music, you can use ChatGPT and Suno to create a music and then sing it. Yes. That is, it hasn't got any copyright issues for now. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it. Basically something like this playing on the screen. So if you're interested, let's head on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That is the only way you can say thank you. Also, share to your friends. Invite them to come and like and subscribe. Guys, let's head on. The first thing I did was I went on Gemini to create a photo. You can see. So I simply told Gemini to make me generate a photo of a man singing in a studio, his face fully facing the camera. He gave me a white man. I wasn't very specific. I said make it a black man. So you can see this is the one I have. So I downloaded it. You can click on the image to then click here to download it. Then afterwards, I went to ChatGPT and said, Chat, write me a 30-second Afro gospel song suitable for Suno AI music, only 30 seconds. And this is what ChatGPT gave to me. So then next thing I did was to go on Suno AI. So when you go to Suno, just type suno.com.ai music. It's going to come out. Once you type Suno, it's going to come out. So sign in. When you sign in, you come on here, you put the lyrics of the song. You can see lyrics, and you also put the style. I put Afro gospel song, sorry. Yeah, Afro gospel sang by a man, 30 seconds long. Then you click on create. It's going to give you 4 creations, as you can see, 4 creations here. But the first 2, you cannot download the first 2 because you're on free plan. And that's the first 2 that actually gave you what you want. But you have 2 extra, but I don't want them to be this long. So, but I'm going to choose the one that is shorter a bit, but maybe play 2 of them and see. Let's play them now. Let's hear it. So what you need to do is to choose the one that you like and download. So I will click on the one that is a bit shorter, the one of 136 seconds, and yes, and click on download. I will download it. It's gonna be download MP3 audio. So say take download anyways. Then what you need to do is to go and reduce this song to only 30 seconds. Okay, you cannot use this song like this for HeyGen, but there is something I want to try afterwards where I can be able to use this song fully. Okay, but today let's try HeyGen, and after HeyGen we can try another app that can help us to have this song in full. But first of all, let's try HeyGen. So go on HeyGen, sign up on HeyGen. Okay, use any of your email to sign up. So I'm gonna sign up now. Is to come over here. Oh, just give it time. Choose free. So I'm gonna use it for school. I'm a student. Don't worry, just say you heard about them on YouTube. Anything you want to say, just sign up and go through this process. What do you want to do? Educational training, something, anything you want, just choose anyone. It doesn't stop you from using any part of it. Then it's open now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on photo to video. Okay, photo to video. Allows you to turn a single word from a script into a talking video with full body and background vocals. So this is where you have to work. So that's it. I'm gonna upload the image that I generated. This is that image. Then over here, I'm gonna click to, if I click to add that song that we downloaded, it's not gonna work. So what I need to do is to go online, and I'm gonna come over here and type audio length cutter. You can see, because I want to cut the audio length to 30 seconds only. It's been saved, it's been downloaded. So go back to HeyGen and click here on upload where it says script. So now click on this upload file, so it will take you to your computer. Then click on this first one that you just trimmed. So I put it on 29 to be on a safe side. Then I went back to HeyGen to upload it. Look at it. I have uploaded it now. So I click on add audio. Okay. This is where you do it. So this is my picture. This is my audio that I just uploaded. So once you come on this script section, just tap on add audio and you will select it from your device. When you select it on your device, allow it to load like this. Now you come on here and click on generate video. Okay. When you click on generate video, give it time. It's going to generate. So you can see it says it's 12% ready. So let's wait for it, calm down and chill. So our video is ready. Let's see. Let's play it. Early in the morning, I lift my hand. You give me joy. You make me stand. No weapon formed will take my song. I love this. Your love they carry all day long. So this is how to make it, and it's finished. So guys, go now. When you're done, you can click on download. Click on download to save your video. You can see. Simply download your video. If you like what you saw, I know you do like it. The process is simple. All you need to do is to just get all these tools together and make something very magical. Don't forget that you can also use any type of song of your choice. It can be Christian, it can be pop, rock star, anyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Love you.